Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To wake up.
Thức dậy,
To get up.
đứng dậy,
To brush teeth.
đánh răng,
To wash face.
rửa mặt,
To have breakfast.
ăn sáng,
To take a shower.
tắm,
To go to work.
đi làm,
To go to school.
đi học,
To study.
học,
To work.
làm việc,
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.